Good morning students. Welcome to the next session of SST, and in this session of SST I am going to discuss with you the earth. As you know, how does the earth look on its surface? Because you can see everything on its surface. So do you want to know the interior of the earth? In this session I am going to discuss with you the interior of the earth. According to the geologists, the earth is divided into three layers: crust, mantle and core. So who is geologist? A geologist is a scientist who studies the solid, liquid and gaseous matter that constitutes the earth. Geologists are the specialist earth scientists. Okay, so first we are going to discuss the first layer of the earth, which is crust. The solid outermost layer of the earth, composed of minerals, is known as the crust. Its average thickness varies between 8 kilometers to 50 kilometers. The crust comprises two distinct layers. Number continental crust, which is also known as Ciel, and the lower oceanic crust, which is also known as Sima. So students, as I discussed with you in the earlier sessions, that there are large masses of land on the earth which are also known as continents. So there are 7 continents on the earth, and there are 5 major water bodies on the earth. So the continental crust or Ciel forms the uppermost layer of the earth's crust, and its thickness is up to 50 kilometers. And the lower crust or Sima is a continuous layer that forms an extremely thin ocean floor, and it may range from up to 10 kilometers in thickness. So the Sima is also known as ocean floor, and Ciel is known as continental crust. The second layer of the earth is mantle. The mantle is the second layer of the earth, and it is located the crust. The average thickness of the mantle is 2,900 kilometers. It is made up of rocks that are far denser than the crust. The temperature of the mantle is extremely high since it contains molten magma, and sometimes it comes on the surface of the earth during volcanic eruptions as lava. So students, do you know what is volcano? Volcano is an opening on the surface of the earth that allows the hot magma deep inside the earth on the surface of the earth, and this event is known as volcanic eruption. When magma comes out on the surface of the earth, it is called lava. Okay, the third layer of the earth is core. This is the innermost layer of the earth. The average thickness of the core is about 3,500 kilometers. It is made up of heavy metals, especially nickel and iron, and thus it is also known as knife. Knife is an abbreviation for Ni for nickel and Fe for ferrum. Ferrum is the Latin name for iron, so it is also known as knife. The temperature in the core ranges between 3000 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius. The earth's crust consists of a variety of rocks and minerals. So now I am going to discuss with you different kinds of rocks which are found on the surface of the earth. Number 1, igneous rock. Igneous rock. These rocks are formed by the cooling and solidification of hot lava and magma, and these are also called the primary rocks. For example, the example of igneous rocks are granite, dolerite, etc. type of rocks are sedimentary rocks. When fragments of rocks are carried by running water, wind and moving ice and are deposited under water, over a period of time, these deposited materials or sediments accumulate in layers and are compressed and hardened and convert into sedimentary rocks. Example of sedimentary rocks are sandstone, limestone and coal. Third type of rocks are metamorphic rocks. Metamorphosis is a Greek word which means change of form. When existing igneous and sedimentary rocks change their chemical and physical properties due to intense heat and pressure, they are converted to some other kinds of rocks, and these converted rocks are known as metamorphic rocks. These processes may take millions of years. The conversion of these rocks can take millions of years. For example, limestone is a sedimentary rock, and after millions of years it converts into marble. So marble is a metamorphic rock. So students, in this session I discussed with you the interior structure, the different kinds of rocks on the earth. Hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.